Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix your master exhaust fan clank or flap noise. So first, we are going to remove the cover, and I will go step by step and I'll show you how to do each step. So step one is to remove the cover. So there is a spring on both sides of the exhaust fan, so you will just need to remove it. So if you see here, there's this spring that goes into the frame here and gets stuck and it stays there. As you're removing the cover and the fan, I will also suggest you to clean it. So I will put a link on the right top corner to follow how to clean your exhaust fan as well. So in step two, you have to unplug your exhaust fan so that the electrical connection is cut. Then to remove it, so you will need to use a flathead screwdriver. And on the both side of the fan, there is a clip that gets stuck with the fan. So just press the flathead screwdriver to unhook it. So this is one side. And then do the second side, and then your fan will be unhooked and you can pull it down to remove it. So we are going to use this one-sided insulated tape. So in this one, so this side is glue, so I will put this one on the flap and the other side will not stick. So now when the flap hits this, it won't make the noise. So I'll show you by installing it now. So this is the flap. So when the flap hits the top, it makes the noise. So now we will put the tape on the top here and on the sides as well. So if you want, you can remove this flap. It's very easy to come off. Or if you just want to keep it and then install the tape, it's your choice as well. I will cut a piece of tape and put it on the top first. And then two small pieces. So one goes on the side and then the second one goes on the other side. So once the tape is secured, you can put the flap back. And now if you see, the noise is not there because now all the flap is hitting the tape, so the noise is gone. So now once the tape is done, now you will need to install back the exhaust fan. So now make sure that the vent side of the exhaust fan goes towards the flap. So you can put it like this and then insert it in the frame. And then there are two clips on the sides. Make sure when you're pushing it, it gets locked. So now both the sides are properly clamped. And now the plug-in for the electrical connection, so you plug it in. And now just for the check, before you put the cover back on, just run the exhaust fan and see if it's good to go. So now it's running good, so now we will put the cover back. So now we will put back the cover. So there are two springs on both sides. So they will go to the ports here. So I will squeeze the spring and insert one. And now when one side is done, you will have to do the same thing with the other side. So once the cover is installed back, everything is good to go. And thanks for watching the video. If this video helped you to fix your problem, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.